Reporting live from Bodega Bay. We are in at the Tides. Pickles, nice place. Got a nice little breakfast nook. My key light right there. I got a good little desk. Dana's got to do some work, so she's probably gonna be doing stuff there.
Report card season, woo!
Dana's real good because once she gets into a hotel, she's here. Dana has arrived. You know,
part of being on vacation is feeling like you're at home.
You know, I will say Peter was real good at that. Every time we got to like a hostel or something, he was just quick to just like get everything out where we've arrived. I am not unpacked. I've unpacked the camera. That's about it. And I'm drinking a beer. Sober October. So, you know, I'm just gonna relax and enjoy this. And then it's probably gonna be an early night because it's an early morning tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
6:45 in the morning. 6:45 in the morning. Heading out to Doran Beach, Bodega Bay. Oh yeah! Woo! Since this was opening day, parking was a challenge, and there were some inbound wind warnings, so instead of kayaks, we decided to attempt snaring off the jetty. Unfortunately, we weren't the only ones with this idea, and it was packed. We spoke to a few folks, and everyone said they were coming up short, even a few on kayaks. So reluctantly, we decided to abort. Back at the hotel, I was looking at Doran Beach and realized, for as much time as I've spent in Bodega Bay, I've never gone to the head on the other side. Coincidentally, this was one of our 101 Bay Area hikes. We decided to head out to the overlook first to catch a glimpse of the Horseshoe Cove and the UC Marine Lab. It was a clear day and the overlook was looking good, so we grabbed some of those obligatory shots, aka obligs. Heading back to the parking lot, we linked up with the trail on the other side. It does get windy here, so I suppose you can take cover in some of these cypress trees. The rest of the trail is pretty exposed with a minimal amount of elevation change at about 400 feet. Saw this huge crow and he said, "What's up?" And it turns out Dana may have a fear of birds. Every now and again I would see a couple folks carrying crab cages, taking these small pathways that would lead to the beach below. As we rounded the head, we could see Bodega Rock, along with Tamales Point in the distance, just 5 miles south of Bodega Head. The coastal foliage was one of the highlights on this walk, especially with the red tips popping off of the ice plants. The next best thing to keep an eye out for are the waves crashing on the rocks below. And before we knew it, we were back at the parking lot and ready for some food. The book recommended Spud Point Crab Company, but the line was out of hand, so we went further up the road to a place called the Fisherman's Community Market at Mason's Marina. Oh yeah.
Bread bowling?
Yeah, that looks great. And we got a view. With crab sandos and chowder in our bellies, along with plenty of time left in the day, we went inland to explore Dana's fear of birds at the famous Potter Schoolhouse, where Alfred Hitchcock's movie The Birds was filmed. It's the birds. There it is.
So scary. I'm afraid of birds.
We're gonna watch it again. We then went further inland to Wildflower Bread and then continued down the Bohemian Highway to the small town of Occidental. Not a lot going on because of COVID, but I'm sure it's a charming place under regular circumstances. We grabbed some takeout from the Union Hotel, a charcuterie platter to go along with our wildflower bread. Something I would recommend if you ever find yourself in these parts. And with that, we took our takeout back to the hotel and called it a day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.